Yeah. Okay, that didn't work very well. Okay, guys, it's Scooter Cam. I'm today not doing any scootering. I'm figuring out what the heck this thing is and trying to fly it. It looks like a Hillman helicopter, right? And it's controlled by this little teeny remote. You just move that up, turn it up, move that. Those don't do anything. Okay, let's turn this baby on. Okay, see that red blank right in his dick? Let's turn it on. So then, let's turn this thing on. Okay, that red light indicates that it's on. Okay, let's go up. Okay, a little too up. He's doing like insane spins. Oh crap. Oh crap. Yeah, that sucked. That was kind of bust. That's gonna be it for today. I know it's really short. I'm just showing how busty this thing is. I'm just making sure this thing ain't gonna break anytime soon because it's just super funny. Okay, I'll see you guys next time. This is just super funny to do, so I'll see you guys next time. Bye.